Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH! Now this is one of our favourite recipes. It's pasta with BOSH balls.
Now the BOSH balls are made out of kale, which is a lot healthier than meat.
We've got like 500 grams of kale crammed into this dish. It's hearty, it's delicious and incredibly nutritious.
This recipe is part of our Veganuary meal plan. The PDF is available to download for free in the description below.
Now we've got a load of videos to accompany that, so subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch them when they come out.
First up with this recipe, you make your BOSH balls by cooking everything down and then gripping them together to make these lovely green balls.
I think that's genius.
I think it's genius as well.
Genius! Kale meatballs, this is what we're talking about.
Definitely.
Very
and
BOSH.
The best thing about this is you bind them together with dried out stale bread that would usually just go in the bin.
Got our kale balls, they're fried, they're lovely and browned. We're gonna make a marinara sauce. Super simple, just some tomatoes, onions, garlic, all that good stuff. And maybe a little bit more kale.
Everybody really needs, more kale, kale and kale and kale. It's like, we're kaling it here.
Hey, don't kale my vibe. Look at that, it looks incredible. I mean, those BOSH balls just look amazing. Just like meatballs, but made of kale.
I tell you what, the best thing on those kale balls is the fennel. Like, it just gives a flavour you just don't usually expect with this kind of food. It's delicious.
You've also got some basil and parsley in there, so there's a hint of pesto. All in all, a delicious pasta dish. There you have it, that is our pasta with BOSH balls.
And this is part of our Veganuary meal plan, so please do download the PDF if you haven't already. It's in the description box below.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We love to read them and try and respond to every single one. And don't forget to hit that like button so more people will see this awesome recipe.
As usual, this has been an absolute pleasure. We love cooking for you guys.
We do! Bish!
Bash!
BOSH!